Man, the sun is strong. Getting rid of milia on your face can be done with a few helpful steps. Milia are small white bumps that often appear around the eyes and the cheeks, so here's how to treat them. So first, keep your skin clean. Gently wash your face twice a day with a mild cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Avoid using heavy creams that can clog pores. Next, exfoliate your skin regularly. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a product with ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid. I'll leave these words in the description. I can't pronounce them right. And those help remove dead skin cells that can cause milia. You can also try using retinoid creams, which are available at over-the-counter shops by prescription. These creams can help promote skin cell turnover and can prevent new milia from forming. If milia persists, it's best to consult a dermatologist. They can safely remove the milia using a sterile needle or by freezing them. Lastly, protect your skin from the sun by using sunscreen daily. This helps prevent damage that can lead to milia. So, with these steps, you can work towards clearer skin.